In this tutorial we gonna explain how to create maps, using Swiftec. Will be helpful to develop your own maps, new or based on identified maps. Let's open new project, using existing project or created from scratch. Open project. Now, go to Map View in top menu. As you can see, map list is presented in the right side of screen. Here, you can see the maps that were automatically identified, and also my maps folder. Now, let's come back to 2D view, and insert the address of the map you want to create. The address that we are searching, was one that we know that will point to unrecognized map area. This is only for demonstrative purpose. By analyzing the 2D, we can see that the map only have one axis associated, and it tell us, that the map will be 16 by 1. Now let's create a new map. Click right-click option. Now, you have the Map Manager module, where you fill the map properties. Like name that will appear in map list, size of the map, factor, and other details that you would like to add. Click Save to proceed. As you can see, the map was created and added to map list with the properties you choose. You can add the axis name when you create the map, or can be easily added after map created. By using left mouse button, let's mark the start of map address. After, use right-click to open Functions panel, click on Open highlighted map option. Now let's open Map Manager, and give axis name. This name will appear in top left corner of map table. Click and Get from 2D, to get address from cursor position. And select EEPROM as data. Insert the correct factor. Click Save to proceed. Name of axis was changed. The map area, axis and map name was created successfully. Now, let's create maps when maps are not recognized. Click in Project to open projects. Now choose the file, and click Open. In this case it's a BMW F40. Now click in Map View, to see map list. As you can see, no maps were recognized for this file. Change to 2D view. In this case we are inserting address manually to go immediately to map area in the file, but can simply use navigation bar. As you can see all map areas are highlighted. Now, can open the map you want to identify, simply by clicking 2 times in top of the unrecognized map. Click again 2 times on map table to open Map Manager, and start by inserting the map name. Axis name and factor in both of axis. Click Save to save the map properties, and map on map list. As you can see the map appear on your Maps section. Please remember, this is only for tutorial purposes. All maps should be organized and identified by professionals or with some external orientation. You can use our predefined map packs, or use your A2L files that you possibly have, to guide you in this process of identifying maps. Thanks for watching.